Alright guys, this is Macmacfalls. This is one of those beautiful places that I just saw online, and I decided to come here to show you this place, guys. Let me just zoom it so you can see it. Look at that. It's amazing. The water drops from up there. Just look at how far that water comes from. It's a mountain. It's in Mpumalanga, South Africa. There is a road down there, up there. You might see cars. And it's about to rain. This is one of those beautiful places, guys. And it's far. You might see it with 3x zoom, and you think it's closer. It goes all the way. Oh, look at that image on the mountain. It's like horse. Let's zoom it. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the clouds. This is South Africa, guys. When you hear people talking about Mpumalanga, I just wanted to come here, and I'm just putting my hand here, my iPhone. Oh my God, I don't want to drop it. I just mentioned the name of the phone, of course. The quality, guys, it's not like I'm bragging. I'm bringing some great quality for you guys. This is one of those. So I can breathe again, guys. I have to confess, to take that view, I was breathing, hard, because look at how far it is. I knew that if I make a mistake and I lose that phone, I'm not gonna get it. Yeah, now I can go as far as I can to be safe. This is how it looks like, guys. Typical African brothers and sisters, like I said, they're just writing their names so that people will know that they were here. Maybe I should zoom. But we shouldn't say only African brothers and sisters. People are doing that from other countries, see? Let me take it back. Oh, let me focus on the clouds again. Oh my God. Guys, do you see what I see? Oh my God. Guys, do you see what I see? Let me zoom that before it disappears. Ooh. Oh. That's amazing, man. It's like fire, because I know on this other side. Oh, look at that. You can't tell me that that's not a great view. On a normal day, Tuesday the 2nd November, and I decided to bring these guys. Look at that. Just that alone. This is amazing. That's why I love storytelling. It's about to rain. I saw a lightning there. You see even how the wind blows? It's about to rain. This is amazing, guys. Wow. You see, this kind of content, when you do it, when you produce this kind of content, you create your own lane. You don't compete with people. Look at that. It's about to rain. Guys, we have to go back to the hotel before it's too late, because you see it's dark now. The road is going to be crazy. You hear like the thunder. God bless the storytellers. Oh my God, it keeps changing shapes. Look at the clouds, guys. It's the clouds and the sun. They are making different shapes. Now that we also have the mountain, it just become mind-blowing. It's just amazing. Guys, it's about to rain. I have to go. I appreciate you guys showing me love and support as usual. I am Zakaria, the ghost, everybody. I'm out.